This is a video on the Paramyxoviridae family of viruses. Human diseases that are caused by viruses in this family include measles, mumps, and croup. This is an image of the virus particle, also known as a virion. It's an icosahedral virus. Viruses in the Paramyxoviridae family are single-stranded, minus-sense RNA viruses. After the virus gets into its host, it uses the host's organelles to make viral proteins. The virus encodes for its own transcriptase, which lets it make a plus-sense RNA strand that, in turn, can be translated by the host's cell ribosomes. Viral proteins also get embedded into the host cell's plasma membrane, which will eventually become the envelope for the new virus particles, also known as virions. The virus does not enter the host cell's nucleus. Instead, it does all of its work in the cytoplasm. The life cycle of the virus includes budding from the host cell. There are viral proteins put in the plasma membrane of the host. The plasma membrane becomes the coating for the virus. When you get images from the internet to put in your own presentation of your virus, be careful. Even if the image is in the Creative Commons, it does not mean the image was drawn correctly. This is an example of what would otherwise be a great illustration of a virion that causes measles, except that it shows what? It is showing the RNA as being double-stranded. To be drawn correctly, the RNA should just be a single strand of nucleotides. How do you catch the virus? Measles viruses are highly contagious. Achoo! Symptoms that we can see for people infected with measles include red, irritated eyes, Koplik spots, which are white spots in the mouth, and the rash. The rash usually appears 3 to 5 days after the first signs of being sick. It may last from 4 to 7 days. It usually starts at the head and moves down the body. The rash may appear as flat, discolored areas, as well as solid red raised areas that later join together. The rash is also itchy. Inside the body, the cells are overtaken by the virus. This is an image from a piece of infected tissue. What is characteristic of the measles pneumonia are the large cells that have several intercytoplasmic inclusions. The things stained purple, those are the things inside the cytoplasm that are being stained. How do you get better? Rest, take in lots of fluids, stay warm. You may want to see a doctor because measles is very serious. Antibiotics do not work on viruses. If, however, you have a secondary infection, you will definitely want to see a doctor so he or she can prescribe antibiotics for you. Antibiotics work to kill bacteria that may have seen you as an opportunity to become their new home. Get vaccinated, and thank you for watching the video.